Let me talk about some modifications to the V-King. I made a new support system for the bed. The reason is to have a better distribution of the weight down into the frame. We still have the 3-point system. The way this was organized before is that we had one corner over here and one corner over here, which we still have. Then we had a center or a middle bed rest over here. It worked fine, but as I designed the wee baby, I figured out to distribute the weight better. It would be nice to have one corner on each Y extrusion, and then the center bed rest on the X extrusion. So we have the center bed rest on the motor side, which is a fixed point. Then we have the adjustable corners, only 2 adjustable corners. So from now on, you only need to adjust these 2 guys when you do the manual bed leveling. So it also simplifies the system. This should also help decreasing tilting on the bed frame, because now the weight is all evenly distributed. So that's what's new on the V-King, and the files are updated on GitHub. And this is very easy to change around. You keep one corner, you move the other corner over here, and then you just print this guy in PETG or CPE, ABS or something high temperature. You place the bed on this guy and you just slide the corners in so that it's tight. So this is very sturdy now. The only thing is that the table is a little bit wiggly. So I advise you also to put this machine on something solid. I'm gonna fix this. That's it, guys. What do you think? My next project for the V-King is, of course, changing the idlers over to mellow idlers or gates type idlers, so we can get even smoother movements. That will take some time because it's a big process. I need to redesign the X carrier, I need to redesign these guys, and of course also the corner brackets. So that's it from Valhalla. Roy signing off. See you soon.